It will automatically download. And follow the instructions.
Choose your service provider, which in this case should be Global Data Systems. Enter your telephone number. Accept the terms of the licensing agreement. Communicator will open and synchronize all of your Outlook contacts. This may take a moment to synchronize all contacts. You should also see an online indication indicating that your presence information is being transmitted. You can select your status here. You can change to busy. You can also change to do not disturb. And you can forward all your calls. You can also add a customized message for other users to see. Once all of your contacts are loaded, you can quickly type a name to go straight to selected contact. Right-clicking on the contact will allow you to add to favorites. This will now start showing up in your Favorites tab. Let's customize Communicator by selecting Tools and Options and going through some of the options. These are all personal preferences. However, I recommend changing this particular entry to open a chat window to avoid accidentally clicking one of the selections and placing a call. Calls tab, Advanced Settings, some of the preferences you may want to go through and customize as you choose. Chat client. I personally, audio. If you're using the Accession Communicator as a default communications client, you will need to choose your microphones or headsets that you're using for communications. You can test here as well. And video. Choose your video client as well. Now that we have everything customized, let's demonstrate a telephone call. You can either place a call by dialing the phone number here at the top. This toggles your keypad on and off if you need to see that. You can choose to click and call a client this way, or just enter a telephone number. An active call box will appear once the call is active. From this box, you can choose to record the call. You can transfer the call, conference the call, open up a dial pad, adjust your receiving volume or mute it, adjust your transmit volume or mute it, toggle video